Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. Let's start with opening the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. Right now we are using the automatic options, so let me tap on this switcher, thanks to which we will have the date and time options active and we can change them manually. Just tap on it and by swiping set the date, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, tap on OK too. And of course it will be immediately applied. We can change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the full list of available time zones, so find yours and tap on it, for example this one, and it will also be immediately applied. Here you can decide whether you want to use the dual clocks. You can just turn them off and on just by using the switcher, and basically thanks to this feature your device will display two different clocks, the first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one with the time from another place of your choice. Here we've got also the time format options. Currently we've got the 12-hour one. In order to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher. So this is the manual customization. Of course, you can go back to automatic settings just by tapping on the switcher right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.